Welcome to the flower show. You guys already remember this. The storm was severe and ruined quite a lot of plants. So let's fix them back. We will need to fix up our gorgeous yellow climbers. They are in bad shape. So let's cue up the music and cut it down. Now this is more like it. All the spent flowers are now cut to 1 to 3 leaves. This will trigger the rows to grow new shoots. There was no other option for us to recover them. Don't be intimidated when doing this. The worst thing you can do to a rose is not to cut it at all. If you like this, give a like. It helps us out.